Inside Story takes you just outside Denver, Colorado, where high school education is reaching the next level. The Digital Evolutions program at Smoky Hill High School is equipping its students with extraordinary skills in graphic design, multimedia, video production, and 3D visualization and animation. How are Intel-based HP workstations allowing these high school students to perform at a college level? Let's get the inside story.
.3D is my life. Basically, I want to try to bring that in here and bring my energy and kind of get them excited about it. I teach graphics for artists, intro to 3D animation and visualization, advanced 3D animation and visualization, and a portfolio class, which basically after the kids have taken everything, it kind of brings everything together. So I was really looking for a school where I could start a program like this, and Smoky Hill was perfect.
We have students with all kinds of interests, and I'm very proud to say that I think Smoky Hill can address most of those interests. Dan is passionate about helping kids engage in this animation graphic design work and then takes them beyond their wildest expectations in terms of their own capabilities. In the current criticism of education, to have programs that are coming out and the kids are not only not in need of remediation, but in fact exceeding the expectations of a college program, it really says a lot about how hard we're working to make sure we meet the needs of the future needs of the kids actually.
Smoky Hill High School needed workstations that would keep the students engaged in the creative process, instead of wasting valuable class time waiting on the hardware. Intel-based HP workstations offered the perfect solution.
We needed workstations that could handle the high-end software that we're using. We have 30 Intel-based workstations, so we've had these machines for about a year now, and we haven't had a single problem. With our older machines, we couldn't do the high-end dynamics. The computers would bog down. It just wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth the pain. But now it works great, and I even have pushed it farther, allowing them to play with dynamics, mixing with fluids and with other elements, and the HP workstation handles that.
It's so much faster, and there were times when I was using the tablet and it would lag, and that's pretty hard when you're trying to do artistic brushstrokes and you find out that you've been doing it too many times and then you have to undo.
There's just a dramatic leap. You can have huge poly counts, can run on no problem. I mean, obviously every computer system has its limits, but the limits that we have now are way beyond that of which we had with the old systems.
Once we got the HP workstations, things became a lot more stable, a lot more efficient, and let you just put the quality limit on just a whole new level.
I think I've grown a lot this year, and partially it is attributed to the HP workstations. I can experiment with more things because I know that my computer can handle it.
Students are discovering that at every stage of their education and career, HP workstations are the industry standard for digital content creation.
What I want to do with this class is make it as real as possible. I wanted to create an environment here that gave them all the tools so that they can not only be prepared for the college levels, but even possibly be prepared to go right into industry. We chose HP workstations because that's what's used in the industry. I mean, and I want to try to model that here.
Well, I'm a Smoky Hill graduate of 2006, and I'm currently a full-time student at the University of Colorado at Denver, and I'm also a full-time paid intern here at Knott Laboratories. It's really nice to come from a high school that has a HP workstation lab, especially because I've enrolled into the University of Colorado's Digital Animation Center, and their labs are all HP workstations. And it's just been really easy transitions from high school to college and then to work.
So working with HP has been great. I feel that they really care about our program and how to make it more successful.
We try and match the computers hardware we have with the use, and this is the highest end use we have. And so we're looking for long-term planning instead of just year to year on how we can make sure we have the resources to turn over an entire set. So HP has been very helpful to allow us to spread it over multiple year budgets, which has made it possible for us to do it.
What I always tell the students is I want you to take it to the next level. Keep on taking it to that next level. And now with these workstations, students are taking it farther. They're using the fluids, using features that they couldn't use on our older machines.
Thanks to Smoky Hill High School, students are taking their digital skills to the next level, and Intel-based HP workstations are with them every step of the way. The computer is personal again.